Hey, welcome to Frosthorn Hollow Farm. Today we are going to be making a peg loom. Where are you going?
That's good.
thank you for watching this far. You've made it to the finished product. So this is the finished peg loom. We made it on a piece of hand-milled poplar that we harvested from our woodlot. My husband milled it on his Lucas mill. We also took these dowels that we did not harvest these here, but we did source most of them locally. And we have 60 pegs, and they're each set to 1 inch on center all the way across. We decided to go with a bigger loom so that we have more versatility in the size of the projects that we want to work on. So the floors that we have were also from our property and milled, and my husband has just finished them. Our house is starting to look like a house again, which is amazing. And I just want to accentuate that with some beautiful rugs from our flock and from our friends' flocks, and just really use this as a tool to take what we have here and bring it inside. So I am actually working on a test project, which is taking each one of these pegs, and I've warped them just with some cotton. It's just what I have laying around. But we're making a bathroom mat, and each one of the pegs, we drilled a hole in them 1 inch up, and we drilled the holes in the board 3/4 inches down so that the hole actually sticks out above the top. So you can see there that it's free to hang there. So what we're doing is we're taking some of, for this one project, for our bathroom mat, we're taking some of this Icelandic mixed with some alpaca that I carded. I washed the fleece and I carded it, and I combined it with some alpaca when my daughter was just born. So this has been in storage for 3 years plus, and so I just spun it as crazy big as I could. I just wanted it to hold together a little bit, and I spun it really big on our Spinolution, and I'm going to be weaving that in between each one of these pegs and setting the rug that way. In between some of these, I also am using some Romney that we got from our friends up at Hurricane Ridge Farm, right here in Vermont, just down the road. And this is a beautiful fleece, and I kept out some of these gorgeous locks that I want to core spin a little bit and lock spin and bring into the rug as well. So I had so much fun today working with some power tools and getting my hands dirty, working with some of our wood from our forest, and now it's time to work with some wool. So please, if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I hope this has inspired you as much as it has inspired us. So I hope you guys have a great time with your peg looms, and cheers.